You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KW037 broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 MHz. The station is operated by the National Weather Service in Oxnard, California and transmits from a tower in Mount Lukens in the San Gabriel Mountains. This broadcast is also related to a transmitter near Sandburg on a frequency of 162.475 MHz. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard has issued a high risk for dust storms for the counties of San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, Kern, and Los Angeles. A historic drought has been impacting California for weeks. Food shortages have been increasing in California since January, therefore food prices have been increasing. A cold front will impact California by today. Moisture is also moving into the region. Temperatures will change with this cold front and moisture. Therefore, and more likely, dust storms will be expected today. When a dust storm warning is issued, don't enter the dust storm area if you can avoid it. If you can't pull off the roadway, proceed at a speed suitable for visibility, turn on lights and sound horn occasionally. Use the painted center line to help guide you. Look for a safe place to pull off the roadway. Be ready when the next dust storm hits. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard has issued a red flag warning for gusty winds and low humidity, which is in effect from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Tuesday. The fire weather watch is no longer in effect. Winds. Westerly winds sustain 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts 25 to 35 miles per hour. Strongest winds along the western half of Southern California. Humidity. Minimum relative humidity as low as 10 to 20% on Sunday and Monday. Poor relative humidity recoveries in the 30 to 40% range overnight. Highest threat. Western Southern California and elevations below 2,000 feet. Impacts. The combination of gusty winds and low humidity can cause fire to rapidly grow in size and intensity. Outdoor burning is not recommended. A red flag warning means the critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures can contribute to extreme fire behavior. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KW037 broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 MHz. The station is operated by the National Weather Service in Oxnard, California, and transmits from the tower on Mount Lukens in the San Gabriel Mountains. This broadcast is also relayed to a transmitter near Sandburg on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. Blowing dust advisory in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time this evening. What? Visibility between 1/4 and 1 mile and blowing dust expected. We're Los Angeles County, Kern County, San Bernardino County, and Riverside County. When? From 1 p.m. this afternoon to 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time this evening. Impacts hazardous driving conditions due to reduced visibility. persons with respiratory problems should make preparations to stay indoors until the storm passes. Be ready for a sudden drop in visibility to near zero. If you encounter blowing dust or blowing sand on the roadway or see it approaching, pull off the road as far as possible and put your vehicle in park. Turn the lights all the way off and keep foot off the brake pedal. Remember, pull aside, stay alive.
Coming up, a look at your local radar. But first, the current local conditions. Current regional conditions. Regional forecast.
The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a dust storm warning for eastern Ventura County in southwestern California, all of Los Angeles County in southwestern California, all of Orange County in southwestern California, northwestern San Diego County in southwestern California, western San Bernardino County in southern California, western Riverside County in southern California, southeastern Kern County in central California, until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a dust channel was located 10 miles north of California City, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 40 miles per hour. Source: detected by National Weather Service meteorologists. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. Locations impacted include Long Beach, Thousand Oaks, Semi Valley, Calabasas, Malibu, Beverly Hills, Universal City, North Hollywood, Hollywood, Van Nuys, Burbank, Glendale, Santa Monica, Culver City, Northridge, Downtown Los Angeles, Los Angeles International Airport, Lake Los Angeles, Inglewood, Woodland Hills, Chatsworth, Santa Clarita, Acton, Plumdale, Lancaster, Mount Wilson, Encino, Manhattan Beach, Hermosa Beach, Pasadena, South Pasadena, Anaheim, Huntington Beach, Irvine, Santa Ana, Laguna Beach, Alhambra, Arcadia, Baldwin Park, West Covina, Covina, Glendora, St. Dimas, Altadena, Mission Viejo, Moreno Valley, San Bernardino, Quartz Hill, Pearl Blossom, Llano, Little Rock, Lake Palmdale, California City, Mojave, Elizabeth Lake, Lake Hughes, La Canada, Victorville, Flintridge, Sylmar, La Verne, Montclair, Ontario, Ontario International Airport, Fontana, Riverside, Menifee, Temecula, Carlsbad, and Oceanside.
The following message is being transmitted by the request of the Los Angeles County Emergency Services of California. As of 2:50 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a dangerous and life-threatening dust storm was located over Lancaster, or 5 miles north of Plumdale, and is currently moving south at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. This storm is expected to reach Los Angeles, California by 3:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. If you're in Los Angeles, California and in a vehicle, make sure to go to your home or nearby shelter. If in your home, gather food, water, medical supplies, pets, and family members. Make sure to give everybody a flashlight. Lock your doors and windows. Turn off air conditioning and heat conditioning. Turn off all lights. More likely, the power grader will likely be down for weeks or months. Only use your cell phone for updates on this dangerous situation. Do not use it to call or use for entertainment. Make sure to also get a battery power radio for updates. Repeating. A dangerous and life-threatening dust storm is expected to reach Los Angeles, California by 3:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The following message is being transmitted by the request of the Los Angeles County Emergency Services of California. A curfew is in effect from 5 p.m. Tuesday, June 25th, to Friday, July 4th, 2031, due to the dust storm that hit the city of Los Angeles 2 hours ago, has buried most of the city of Los Angeles, including neighborhoods and cities of downtown Los Angeles, Hollywood, Beverly Hills, Burbank, Van Nuys, Northridge, Encino, and Chatsworth. It will probably have to take a week to recover from this dust storm. Repeating. A curfew is in effect from 5 p.m. Tuesday, June 25th, to Friday, July 4th, 2031. If you're caught outside, you will be arrested.